Hello my fellow grocery addicts, it's Jackie and today we are trying more gourmet delivered cookies. We did this before with Last Crumb and much like that video, we are doing 6 in this video, 6 on my other channel, and each of them have different flavors. This one you're going to see any of the flavors that involve chocolate, and on my fasting channel you can see the 6 that I was most looking forward to trying, which, hint, none of them have chocolate in it. So I'm really excited to try these. They are individually packaged. They come with warning instructions, so we're gonna follow them, share with you the flavors, and my husband and I are both gonna try them and let you know what we think. Okay, here are all the chocolatey flavors, although 2 of them I guess don't have chocolate, but here are the chocolate and friends flavors all heated up. You can see some of the goo pouring out of them. We got them lined up. We're about to try them. So we just actually tried 6 non-chocolatey flavors. They were very good, and we're about to try 6 more to finish out our dozen. At the end of this video, you can check out the first video if you haven't seen it yet. But we have peanut butter explosion, peanut butter fudge, brookie, lava cake, s'mores, and loaded peanut butter. Now, personally, I would order none of them with chocolate in them, but they didn't have a dozen that way. Also, I'm a family person. I have to, you know, meet the needs of my family. You need chocolate?
I need chocolate.
Okay, so I'm going to start off this one, and I'm going to pick what we're doing first. And I'm going to get the one I look forward to the very least out of the way, peanut butter fudge. Although it's nice and gooey, it has a peanut butter center there. What would you have picked first?
Probably peanut butter explosion. This looks good.
This looks chocolatey. I may not eat most of it. I'm going for the center that has a lot of peanut butter in the middle. It seems like a hem cookie. Very chocolatey. The peanut butter pretty much I think is in the center. I don't think it's throughout the cookie.
No, but very good cocoa flavor. Really like this one.
These mention right on the box that they're best served warm. We put them in the oven 300 degrees, just following the directions. Highly recommend. They came out really nicely. They've been in the fridge for a few days. So once you get them, you don't have to eat them right away. You can put them in the refrigerator. You can put them in the oven eventually. You can even freeze them, and it gives you instructions for all that, which is super easy. Just follow the instructions. What do you pick next?
I'm gonna go with the s'mores.
S'mores, okay. One of the few I'm actually looking forward to in this one. Very little chocolate. I do see chocolate chips in there, but lots of marshmallow.
Marshmallow is hit or miss for me, so.
And I love marshmallow. Okay. Very authentic s'mores flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Good graham cracker flavor. Love the textures.
Yeah, it really is good. I like the graham cracker flavor to it.
Mm-hmm. Is it my favorite from the box? No, but it's pretty good. Too chocolatey. I just prefer not to have the chocolate. Plus we did the 6 others first, so my drive for sweets is low. I'm gonna do peanut butter explosion, which I'm 95% sure those are Reese's Pieces in the middle. One of my favorite candies. So I don't think this has chocolate in it. I think it's a peanut butter cookie with Reese's Pieces in the middle. Or I've really upset some people recently by saying Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces.
Don't those have chocolate in them?
This is a debate that shouldn't be debated. Reese's Pieces, or as I like to say, Reese's Pieces, have no chocolate in them. They're peanut butter coated candies.
I thought the outside had chocolate.
He's trying to get me angry, guys. Good cookie. This reminds me, I make a giant cookie with Reese's Pieces and peanut butter frosting on a peanut butter cookie. Tastes like that. Pretty good.
Yeah, really good. Very peanut buttery. I like it.
I have a feeling this is going to be my favorite of this batch. So far, it's the only one I'm eating all of my 1/8 of a cookie.
Yeah, I think this is going to be your favorite. Let's go with the lava looking one.
Looks like you got a little sick on the parchment. I'm going to give myself the smallest piece of this because I don't think I need more.
Very gooey.
Maybe if I drench this in whipped cream, I could eat it. Not for me.
That might be my favorite. It's good. Love the chocolate.
To me, it's like that and the peanut butter fudge. Very chocolatey. High cocoa. I know also Taylor Chip they started because they wanted to make like better ingredient cookies. So they use really nice ingredients to make their stuff, which I think is cool.
So that means these are healthy?
Obviously. Okay, I am picking for my last pick loaded peanut butter. There is peanut butter in the middle. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's a peanut butter cookie with the peanut butter center, I'm pretty sure. Really great texture. Perfect classic cookie.
Yeah, we're good.
What's your last pick, Matt?
I'm gonna go with brookie.
Good pick, since it's the last one. This is brownie meets cookie. For me personally, that's not a union that ever needed to occur. And I'm gonna take the smallest nibble and I'm gonna call in my cookie connoisseur, Elsie, to come take over. Exactly what I imagined, brownie and chocolate chip cookie. I'm gonna let Elsie do this one. Is that the one you wanted to try the most out of all these?
Yeah.
Okay, so overall, did you enjoy these cookies or Last Crumb more?
Definitely these.
Me too, and the funny thing is this is a third of the cost, so definitely much more of a justified purchase in my mind, and I could see this being a really fun gift to send to someone as a gift or a celebration, and it doesn't seem super extravagant. Definitely a yummy cookie. What was your favorite one?
Lava cake.
Lava cake and peanut butter fudge, definitely bottom for me. They were one and the same essentially. So I guess I said my least favorite. My favorite would be the peanut butter explosion with the Reese's Pieces. What was your least favorite?
Surprisingly, actually probably the brookie.
Wow.
Yeah, I liked the other two chocolate ones, the lava cake and
Peanut butter fudge. We keep forgetting that one.
I liked the lava cake and the peanut butter fudge lot because the chocolate had a nice cocoa flavor. I didn't get as much of that out of the brookie as I was expecting, but it was good. I liked them all.
Yeah, nothing was disgusting except for the fact that I don't like chocolate, but I mean, I kind of knew that ordering them that I wouldn't pick those cookies, but definitely a worthwhile purchase. If you're considering ordering Taylor Chip, I would have no hesitations encouraging you to do so. They're not sponsoring this. They don't know who I am. I paid with my own money, but I've enjoyed it. And now that my kids are quiet, we're gonna let them try them too. We have been loving these cookies, slowly eating different pieces of different cookies. And the really cool thing is Taylor Chip sent me a referral code. They don't know that I make YouTube videos. It's only because I'm a customer, but you can save 15% if you use my referral code and I can earn cash. It's like a customer affiliate program. If you order, you could do it too if you want to share with your family and friends. But we've really enjoyed these cookies and I can tell you I'll be buying them again. Okay guys, was it worth being quiet for?
Yes.
Good reward?
Yes.
Emmy, did you fart, you stinky girl? I'm sorry, no cookie for you. If you enjoyed seeing what we thought of those cookies, you need to check out all of the non-chocolate flavors, the ones I was most looking forward to in this video right here on my fasting channel. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.